In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use product waitlist Squarespace. If you've ever sold out of a popular item and wished you could capture demand while it's unavailable, the built-in waitlist feature is exactly what you need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have waitlists turned on, so shoppers can leave their email when a product is out of stock, giving you a clear signal of interest and a ready list to notify when inventory returns. Start in your Squarespace dashboard. From the main menu, open the area where you manage your store items called Products and Services. This is your hub for everything you sell, including physical products, digital items, and any related commerce settings. We're heading here first because the waitlist tool lives within your broader selling tools. Next, go to Selling Tools. Think of this section as the control center for features that enhance how you sell. Things like checkout options, promotions, and in our case, waitlists. It organizes all the commerce add-ons so you can toggle key capabilities on and off without digging through product pages. Now, choose Waitlists. This brings you to the dedicated area for managing the waitlist experience. You'll see an overview and a prompt to activate the feature. Rather than flipping it on here, Squarespace routes you through your store's core selling settings to make sure everything is consistent across your site. Click the option to enable it in Settings. You'll be taken to your selling settings specifically for waitlists. This ensures the feature applies store-wide and follows your existing commerce preferences. Find the control labeled Allow Waitlist Signups and turn it on. With this enabled, any product that's out of stock will display a Join Waitlist option to customers, usually right where the Add to Cart button would appear. If you sell products with variants, that button typically appears when a selected variant is unavailable. It's a simple, shopper-friendly way to capture interest without losing momentum when items sell through. Finally, save your changes. Saving locks in the feature across your storefront. After this, when a product runs out, customers can submit their email to be notified when it's available again. It's a great signal for planning restocks and gauging which items are worth prioritizing. A few quick best practices as you finish up. Keep your inventory tracking accurate so the waitlist appears only when items are truly unavailable, and make sure your product descriptions clearly set expectations about restock timelines when you know them. That's it. Your waitlist is live and ready to help convert interest into future sales.